I'm going to be showing you how I make my own DIY product organic scrub. So what I'm going to be using is, first of all, I'll be using my white sugar and my brown sugar. I'm using organic brown sugar, guys. I'll be using mine extra virgin oil organic. I'll be using a tablespoon of extra virgin oil. I'll be using coconut oil. I'll be using my coconut oil. I'll be using my cocoa butter share. I'll be using my shea butter. So I've already made the 3 oil in one plate, so I'll be adding it to it. Then I'll mix well. Because I need more scrub on this, so I'll be making a lot of scrub. I want to add my sugar and also add brown sugar. Yeah, you can add a lot of oil if you need watering scrub. I need my scrub to be thick, so that's why I decided to add sugar. So I'll be using my vitamin E oil. This is the vitamin E oil. I just put a drop, some little. I'll be using my jojoba. I'll be using my coconut based oil. This one work for acne, guys. Clear your face. I'll be using aloe vera gel. This is my aloe vera gel. I'll mix them well. Then I'm going to be adding honey to this scrub. Honey is good for your skin, guys. It includes your glowing. So I'm going to be adding honey to it. I'm using organic honey because don't forget we are making organic for this scrub. So I'll add my organic honey to this. And I will mix well. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? Have you? Guys, don't forget, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel because we have a lot to show on this channel. We have a lot to show. I want to show you guys what I do in a day and how I make my products by myself. My body cream, my body soap, and my face scrub, my body scrub. Guys, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be using lavender oil. I'm going to be using my lavender. I'll be putting some drop. I'm going to be using my tea tree oil on it. So I'm going to be putting some drop. Oh, where's my tea tree oil? Okay. It's going to be tough somehow. So I'm going to be putting some drop on my tea tree oil. This tea tree oil. I'm going to be using this preservative. This is preservative. You can buy this from the Optica in Russia. If you live in Russia, you can buy this from the chemist store. I don't know the brand name. Then I will mix well. Then I'm going to be using a tablespoon of lemon juice. A tablespoon of lemon juice. It's not lime, guys, please. It's lemon juice. Don't mind me. Just squeeze. So I want to squeeze more on it. Then I mixed. Time for my flavor. I'll be using my peppermint. I'll be using some drop of peppermint, and I'll be using my jojoba. No, I've used jojoba before. Remind me. I'll be using this flavor. I don't know the name, but it sounds nice. I'll be using my lime. I'll also be using my strawberry flavor, but my strawberry flavor is not here. I'm going to take it to the side. Just a minute, guys. So this is my strawberry. I'm going to be putting my strawberry flavor to this. I want berry scent, and I'm going to be putting my grapefruit flavor on this too. So I'm going to be dividing this, and I'm going to mix it well, and I will divide it and I'll color it to yellow. So I'm going to make a yellow color. I'll be adding my yellow color to this. Excuse me guys, 1 minute. So I'm going to be mixing it with yellow flavor. You can use any food color of your choice, or better say any color. I'm going to be using this yellow. I want it to be more yellow. Let's be creative in the kitchen. I'm messing it. I love the color already. Like, I love you. I think I need a white plate. So let me transfer it to this plate. So it will mix well. Still going to add some for it, small drop. Today I'm going to be making different color. I'm going to be making blue because I have bought black scrub, yellow scrub, white scrub, green scrub, but I have not set my eyes on a blue scrub. So today I'm going to be mixing the remaining one with blue color. Let's see what we look like. It's gonna look it's going to look nice, just like this yellow scrub look like. So this is it. Guys, have you seen this yellow? I'm so happy with the outcome of it, guys. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this is. You can see that. See how beautiful it is? So let me transfer it to this container. I'm going to be sterilizing this container very well, because this product is from our skin. We are going to use it in our skin, so we need to be careful what we put in our skin. So this is my yellow scrub. I'm so happy with it, guys. So I'm going to be using this yellow color up. So romantic, so beautiful. And the yellow color is ready. You see that? How beautiful this looks. So I'm going to be Okay, I think I want to change this very one to another color. I'm going to be using blue. So today I'm going to be trying the red on camera. So let me take the little half of this, little scrub out of it. So let me see how red look like, so I can know if I want to be making red scrub or something. So I'm going to be putting blue color on it. You can use any food color of your choice. So this is my choice. Don't judge me. Wow, the blue is more beautiful than the yellow, I think. And wow. Really? It's like I put mush. Really? Is this for real? I think I've seen blue soap, blue lip gloss, blue lipstick, a lot of blue, but I haven't set my eyes on blue now. Actually, this is barrel blue, barrel ink blue, because I had a lot to it. This man, guys, this is the blue scrub. This eye look. Oh, I love it. So I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be putting one side blue, one side yellow. So let me try this yellow, this red on camera, because I haven't tried red color before. So I want to try this red on camera. Let's see the outcome of red. Okay, I'm going to be cleaning it. Let me clean my feet. It looks like blood. Really? This look like blood, guys. Wow. This is the red, and the red look like blood. So I'm going to be trying the red on my skin. I'm going to be using the red on my skin, and I wash it out. We'll see how it will look like. This is the red scrub. Let me try this on my skin. No matter the color, guys, because it's a scrub, it will only give you your glowing. This scrub is good for your skin. It removes dead skin. It lightens your ankle. You can use it to, if you have dark ankle, you just use it to scrub your ankle. Your ankle, not ankle. It's like I want to eat ankle. Okay, you scrub your ankle. So let's go and wash and give it the review. So I've washed it, and look at it. You can see it's not staining your skin. It will not stain your skin. Don't be afraid. So look at this thing. So guys, I'm going to be doing giveaway on my YouTube channel with this scrub I just made, this body scrub I just made. I'm going to be using this for giveaway. I'm going to be using this for giveaway because July 22 is my birthday. Follow the instruction. You will subscribe to my YouTube, comment, you like my video, and you put a comment there, and you follow me on Snapchat. My name is Essie Love on Snapchat. Then you can have your own body scrub, and this I'm doing giveaway with body scrub and face scrub. Follow me on YouTube channel, and July 22 you will receive your body scrub in your doorstep. Make sure you subscribe, you give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friend. Don't forget, till next time, your baby girl will still be here giving you a new product and a new review. Bye for now. Love you all.